Today I'll be unboxing more of these Disney Eats mystery pins. My first unboxing of these didn't go quite as well as I wanted to, and I've been wanting to complete this collection. So these were released in May of 2024, and these were available in the parks and at Shop Disney for $17.99 per box. And there are 2 pins in each box. So while these were available in the parks, they weren't there for very long. I feel like they showed up, sold out, and never returned. And that is really odd for an open edition pin set. You know, that makes sense for a limited edition, but these are just open edition pins. So I don't know what happened there. So I ended up going to someone at Hong Kong Disneyland, and they were able to pick me up the boxes that I'm going to open today. So the pin designs here feature treats that you can get at the Disney parks. So this is an 8-pin collection, and the pin designs we can get are the Mickey Caramel Apple, Dole Whip, Mickey Ice Cream Sandwich, Churros, Mickey Hamburger, Mickey Donut, Mickey Waffle, and a Mickey Ice Cream Bar. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 3 boxes here to open up, which is only 6 pins total. Now I do already have 4 pins from this collection. So with this unboxing, I'm hoping to get the other 4, or at least close to being done with these. Maybe 1 away would be okay. Since these were really hard to find, or really not out in the parks very long in the US, each individual pin goes for like $20 to $25 on eBay, which I find to be way too much money for an open edition mystery pen. So I got these boxes from somebody from Hong Kong Disneyland, and these were $16 per box, which I thought was a pretty good price. So let's see what we get in box 1. So we have our 2 black bags here. Oh, these are the other kind of bags. These are like Loungefly bags where you can rip them open here. All right, our first pin is, what is that gonna be? It is the Mickey Donut. So we have the, looks like a cake donut, and it has some pink frosting with some sprinkles in the shape of a Mickey head. And I can see the 4 pins I have back, they're down on a pin board just kind of under this. And I already have this one. All right, so that one does me no good. All right, the next one, ooh, this one's long. You can see from the back. I don't have this one. These are the Churros, finally. I mean, this is really, if I only got 1 pin out of this whole collection, I need the Churros. So we have 2 Churros here, and we have the kind of the paper there that has little hidden Mickeys on them. Very cool. So now I have a Churro pin from this collection. Nice. So now, only missing 3. So 3 to go to complete this collection. All right, let's see what we get for pin 3. Well, I can see from the back that it knew I was excited for churro pins, so it gave me another one. So 2 churro pins. You can never have enough churro pins, right? Okay. And this one, I can see from the back that this one is a lot thicker. It's kind of square. And I'm looking at those pins. I don't think I have this one. So I'm gonna flip it over, and it is the Mickey Ice Cream Sandwich. Nice. So we have the cookie part is Mickey shaped, and you can see his face right there. And then we have the ice cream in the middle. Awesome. I usually get one of these when I go to the parks. Sometimes they're a little too cold though. You get them and you try to bite into them. You can't even bite into them. All right, so that is another one I don't have. So what am I at? I have 4 down there, I have 5, I have 6. So I'm missing 2 still, and I'm down to 1 box. So I should have bought more boxes. Oh well, at least now I'm only missing 2. So if I have to buy 1 or 2 from eBay or from somewhere else, that's not so bad. Okay, so let's see what we get here. I can tell from the back that this is a duplicate. So this is another Mickey Ice Cream Sandwich. So I wonder if that's gonna mean this is another churro. It feels very light, feels very small. I think this is another churro. We have a duplicate box here. We do, we have our 3rd churro. It's hard to be mad about that because it is a churro. So we did get a duplicate box, which I was a little worried about. So with this unboxing, this is kind of like my first unboxing. It was just not great. I got the same amount of uniques as I did duplicates. So maybe that's just the way this series works for people. So I only got 3, and we got 3 duplicates. So those were the Disney Eats mystery pins. Let me know down in the comments if you've seen these pins in the parks at all. I'm very curious because somebody posted on my first video that they were never able to find these. And I was down at Disneyland in August of 2024, and at Bing Bong's candy shop in DCA, I saw a shirt and I think a couple of different bags of these Disney Eats themed items, but no pins. So it's almost like this entire collection was just in and out and gone. So I don't know, it's kind of weird. So this was not really a great unboxing for me, and then when you combine it with my last unboxing, that's 8 boxes of these total to get 8 pins, and I'm still only at 6 out of 8. So it's really not a good unboxing for me. These collections have been really hard to complete. So I am missing 2, and I am missing the Dole Whip and the Mickey Waffle. So those are the 2 pins I need to finally complete this collection. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.